So welcome to today's video, facial hair. Hair on your mustache, hair on your chin, hair on your sideburn, just basically hair all over your face or in places on your body that you really don't want them to be. Today I have a quick and easy hair removal solution that's going to help to gradually get rid of the hair from your face. So if you're interested in this video, continue watching. Our first ingredient is cornstarch, and cornstarch is the same as corn flour. Our second ingredient is brown sugar, and here is our browned sugar. Our third ingredient is egg, and I'm using a medium egg, and I'm only going to use the egg white. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to prepare the egg by removing the egg white from the egg yolk. This is pretty easy. You just need to crack the egg and then slowly open the egg. Take the top off. Just let the white drop as I'm showing here. Then you put it back in, let the white drop, do the same, and here you have your egg yolk, and here you have your egg white. Now the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to whisk the egg white. Not a lot, just a little, just get it a little bit fluffy. And this is about good for now. And now we're going to get our treatment ready. Now for our egg white, I'm going to use just a tablespoon. Pretty difficult to get up. And here we have a tablespoon of egg white. Now I have another tablespoon left over. You can choose to freeze this. Egg white does freeze very well, so you could use it another time, maybe next week, okay? For our brown sugar, I'm using 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. And for our cornstarch, I'm using 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. So here we have 1 tablespoon of egg white, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Now what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to mix. Now this is going to be a little lumpy to begin with. So you're going to just whisk this until you get all the lumps out. Just keep mixing. Take your time and blend. Keep blending. So as you can see, this is blending out nicely. So let's talk a little about this combination. What really happened is that the egg white is sticky and it forms a thin film on the skin when you combine it with the cornstarch and the brown sugar. Now, once this is dry on your skin, that is where the action begins. Now, another wonderful thing about this combination is that this is going to leave your skin really tight. It's going to leave your skin bright, and you're basically going to get a young glowing skin. So this treatment can basically do double duty. For those of you with a lot of fine hair on your face, try to use this. And if you have sagging skin and you're looking to remove both hair and tighten your skin, this is going to work wonders. So now this is ready, and as you can see, very nice, very thick. So now I'm going to show you how to apply this on your face to get rid of your facial hair. Now, to be honest, if you have really and truly thick facial hair, you might need to use this a couple times well. It's not going to get rid of those hair immediately. However, it's going to soften the hair somewhat, and with continuous use, it will eventually get rid of your facial hair. If you have very thin hair on your face, the very first time you will notice a huge difference, okay?
Now here is our facial hair remover, and I like to use a brush to apply this. You take your brush and you dip in, make sure to give it a nice little star. Now you want to make enough of this just to use one time. You're not going to store the leftover. You're not going to keep it in the refrigerator. You're just going to make enough and use it right away. So once your brush is completely covered, then you're going to apply this wherever you're trying to get rid of your facial hair. Just a thin layer. And for those of you who have your chin here, just put it on your chin also. If you have the sideburns, go ahead. Put a little on. And if you like to wax your face, then you could completely cover your face with this. Now once this is done, you're going to sit with it for about 20 minutes or so. Wait for it to dry and then you're going to remove, okay? So I'm going to sit with this for about 20 minutes and I will be back.
Now after sitting with this for about 15 to 20 minutes, what is going to happen is that it's going to come to a complete dry. And you just need to take your hands and just rub it in a circular motion. And what this is doing, this is actually pulling the hair out. It's gonna be a little stingy, but it's okay. Nothing you cannot handle. Now after you remove the treatment, you're going to rinse with some warm water. You're going to get a slight burning sensation, and if you're light skin, it might look a little red, but that's okay. What happened when you exfoliate, you remove the hair from the face, and that's going to leave you with, you know, a little stinging. Go ahead and use a little bit of a facial toner to cool the area down. Do this at least once or twice per week for best result, okay? So there you have it. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share the video. Leave your comments, and if this was the first time watching, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Click on it and you will be subscribed. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Now let's take a look at the benefits of these ingredients to the skin. Applying aloe vera gel to your face regularly will help to diminish the lines and wrinkles associated with aging and loss of skin elasticity in the skin. This is due to the simple fact that aloe vera contains both vitamin C and E, both of which are known to be vital for healthy skin, and also help to improve natural firmness, leaving your skin soft, supple, and hydrated. Cornstarch contains a reasonable amount of protein that help boost collagen and prevent the sign of skin aging. The vitamin A present in corn flour fade brown spots, sunspot, dark patches. The mineral and amino acid keep the skin healthy, vibrant, and smooth. Brown sugar is an excellent skin exfoliator. It helps flush off dead skin cells on the outer layer of the skin. This allows room for new healthy skin cells to regenerate and function properly. It will also deep cleanse your skin, removing grime and germs from within skin pores and prevent further breakouts.